Hi, this is Daniel from Brandastic. Today we're going to talk about how you can use messenger apps to grow your business. Right now on your phone, it's very likely that you have several messenger apps. Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, maybe WeChat. The fact is that every day people around the world use messenger apps more and more. Recent studies show that people send on average 94 text messages a day. And in the US alone, that's 26 billion messages that are sent between people every single day. What does this mean for business? It means that there's huge opportunity for you to incorporate messages into your business strategy. Over the past few years, people have become much more comfortable receiving messages from businesses, whether for notifications or to actually chat with people to get their products and services delivered. So you can use this trend in your own business in ways that will start to promote your company and actually build relationships with your customers. Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, and Instagram Threads are all owned by Facebook's company, and they are investing heavily in messenger technology to help you to grow your business. Email open rates in business are dropping every day. Currently, an average email open rate is around 6%, whereas open rates for messenger services are as high as 80%. So this shows that there's huge opportunity if you know how to use messenger apps for your business. So let's look at 3 ways that you can use messenger apps in your business to grow and to connect with your customers. Number 1, create a chat box for your website. You probably visited one of those websites where you've seen there's a little chat function down the bottom of the screen where you can chat to a real person. Now, sometimes we assume that there's actually no one on the other side, but most businesses are actually able to capitalize on this and to get more information to their customers quickly by using these chat functionalities. So if you have a business that does have a lot of questions from your customers, this can be a great way to get them more involved with you quicker. Number 2, offer text reminders. If you have a business that provides a service or delivers products, text reminders can be an excellent way to keep your customers in the loop and to make them feel like you're giving them great service. If you ask them to opt into text reminders, very often they'll say yes because they're eager to get information about their products and services being delivered. It can also help you to slow the amount of cancellations in some types of businesses, and it can help if there are questions or problems that you need to solve before the person comes in. Number 3, invest in a chatbot. Facebook Messenger now allows companies to create their own chatbots, which are small software programs which can actually communicate with your customers on your behalf. And while you can't replace human connection, you can use chatbots to do things such as share resources, answer simple questions, and to even book appointments with your potential customers. This gives great service and it helps the person to get what they need quicker. In conclusion, remember that people still see their text messaging as a personal thing. They tend to do it with friends and families, so don't spam them with marketing messages or try to get them to buy through text messaging services. At the end of the day, the focus is on trying to create a connection with your customers and to offer convenience, because over the long term, this builds a relationship and will grow your business. So hopefully these ideas have been valuable for you. If you like what you saw today, please leave us a like or subscribe to our channel for more information. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.